Greetings and welcome to Instinct Visual Film Lab, your channel for practical demos, experiments, inventions, arts and crafts. In this episode of our Stingray, we shall be exploring a cool and amazing concept, the balloon in a bottle sting challenge. Some things look so easy until you try them. How easy would it be to inflate a balloon inside a plastic bottle? I have a balloon right here filled with water and it is inside a plastic bottle. Can you see it? The question is, how would this balloon get into the bottle? I hear you say, no big deal, just fill the balloon with water. But the balloon down inside the bottle and pop away. But that's until you realize something about the property of air called air pressure and understand how it works. So join us right away as we explore this important property of air called pressure and carry out the balloon in a bottle challenge.
Alright guys, we're dealing with pressure today, and as you can see, we're trying to put a balloon that's been inflated, filled with water, into a bottle. Now I have a bottle right now with a balloon that's been blown up and filled with water. Now the question is, how do you actually pull this balloon into the bottle? Or you want to say, probably I just fill the balloon with water and then try to just press it through the top of the bottle, and then I try to press with all pressure as I can. Try my best. Wow, it's not working. Oh my god, it's not working. What do I do about this right now? I just have to try and press this balloon into this bottle, but it's not working. Oh no, how do I do this right now? It's bursted. Alright, as you can see, it was impossible to get the balloon filled with water into the bottle. But let's see how we can try this out. Let's see, we have another bottle right here and then the balloon this time. Now I'm going to pull this balloon into the bottle carefully. And then I'll try to inflate the balloon this time, okay? While partway into the bottle, I'm gonna try this right now. It's not working. It's not working. What's going on? It's not working. I think we have to try it again this time. Let's try it again. Let's see what's something's going on, right? What's happening? Wow. As you can see, I can't inflate the balloon right now, but what's the reason now? Air has to come out of the bottle, okay, before the balloon can be inflated inside the bottle. Now here comes another bottle again and another balloon. This time I'm gonna try to inflate the balloon again. Wow, did you see that? Did you see that? It's working now. I was able to inflate the balloon. How could I do that? As you can see, I have a hole in my bottle, and that's why the air can go out or come in. Now a straw can go through the hole, like you can see, to prove that the hole is in there. Now you can use your scissors or a nail to insert the hole into the bottle. Now when you're done with that part of it, it's time to inflate your balloon again, and make sure your hands are off the hole while you inflate the air into the balloon, like this. Can you see that? And then I put my hand on the hole again to cover it up. Yeah, and then the balloon stays like that. Now it's time to pour in water. Now note that if you're not careful right here, what's going to spill into your ground, so please try and have a bowl right here in this case. Now we'll pour the water carefully into it right now. Right now, we're trying to pour in more water into the balloon. Alright. Now the next thing is, you want to raise up the balloon tip and then you form a knot, or you tie it up like that. Just tie it carefully, and then that's how we get our balloon filled with water in a bottle. Wow, wow, this is sweet, right? So you can see right now, I didn't do it by just trying to press it up onto the bottle, but I did it by simply using the concept of air pressure. Now the air had to come out first before I could inflate the balloon, and then I fill water, and then I tie it up, and then we'll have a balloon inside our bottle. Now next, how do we get this balloon off the bottle? That's the next point you're going to do right now, and very simple. We're simply pushing air, that's pressure, into the bottle, and then the balloon kicks up. Now let's see what happens. I'm going to blow it up like that. Can you see that? Can you see that? I'm going to blow it up like that, and blow, and just blow, and blow, and blow like that, and blow, and blow. Wow! As you can see, the balloon has been pushed out of the bottle thanks to the concept of air pressure. And note that we had to pull the balloon out of the bottle through the little hole at the bottom, but you can also do a hole at the side, it doesn't matter. And note that you can also do a smaller balloon, and this will ensure that you have a better balloon coming out of the bottle in an easier way. You now know that you also need to have a bowl, or you can do it at a sink to ensure that water doesn't splash in your house or on the floor while doing this experiment. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.